Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone, my people. Yeah. Alright, so welcome to our Sunday Vibes. It's a good while me not do a Sunday Vibes viewers and subscribers. So me I say, and right away me I go present a video to you. And would I like you look at this video and tell me if you get any vibes from this video. You can tell me anything about the video as well to my people. Anyways, without any further delay, here's the video. Observe for yourself.
In the name of Jesus, have your way, Lord. Have your way, Lord. Have your way, Lord.
Hold on. I'm going to play back that video there one more time. It's not really a long video. Hold on.
In the name of Jesus, have your way, Lord. Have your way, Lord. Have your way, Lord.
And everybody can swim still, my people. You see me I say? And everybody can swim, Now, here I'm going to present a video to you that somewhat surprises me. I'm going to be real with you because this video is going to show a certain amount of persons shoving and pushing each other. And it is said that the video will be recorded inside of a church. Those persons who was shoving and pushing each other was among a group of persons, viewers and subscribers, and it seems as if there was some type of disagreement among those persons. My people, I'm not sure what to call a situation like that. Yes, I may say, but it look away, and we just want to take a look at the video for yourself, my people. Alright? If you like the way I'm presenting videos to you, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, and viewer discretion is advised for this video that I'm about to present to you. Observe. What would you call a situation like that, my people? What do you call a situation like that now? Drama, fighting, passa, what? It don't look good, my people. You see me I say big grown people behave like that. I mean, think about the younger people, them are younger persons who might do this. So you see me I say, and then you hear the thing again to know. Even though certain things are going on, you can hear certain noise being made. You get to me, I said to you, I said to myself about wait. I wonder if a certain amount of persons realize what going on right there, so it don't look good, It's bad enough if certain things that happen outside of church. But certain things in my point of view are not supposed to happen inside a church. Some people tell me what they think about a situation like that. Don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay tuned with Dancehall Skilla. That's if you're new to my channel, as you may say. Okay, now here is the main video that I want you to look and listen to, viewers and subscribers. Now in this video that I'm about to present to you, a person mentioned Jamaica, and I want to pay attention to how the person mentioned Jamaica in this video, viewers and subscribers. The person said some words that some people would consider as warning and or prophecy. You understand? So look and listen to this video carefully, and you can also tell me what you think about the words that a person say in this video. Bless up on the Sunday. Alright, here's the video. Observe.
The Lord said he's gonna run through this earth. He said this earthquake that will be coming, this earthquake that is about to come, he said he's gonna shake Jamaica. He said, oh, the Lord said, tell them, be on the watch, be on the lookout, cause he's gonna run through this earth. When God showed me, I saw a lot of building began to cave in. I saw the sea began to burst. The Lord said, tell Jamaica, tell Jamaica, tell Jamaica, tell Jamaica, Jamaica, he said, not too long from now. Not too long from now. The Lord said you are not on the safe side, man. And the Lord said to warn the Prime Minister. The Lord said to warn man de Kotodibia. The Lord said to warn the gunman them. The Lord said to warn the homosexual. The man and Amazundia. The Lord said to warn the lesbian. The Lord said to warn the fornicators. The Lord said to warn the sinner man. This earthquake that will be coming, it will be coming for long, man. When you think it's gonna over, it's not gonna over. Lord God Almighty, help me. I saw the earthquake come, but it come for long. The earth began to open, down to the sea began to open. I saw buildings, I saw dead bodies. This earthquake that is about to come, the earth is gonna take in a lot of person. I saw even cars began to lick up in one another. God said be ye one and watchful. God said to watch. He said watch what I will do in Jamaica. Watch what I will do in Jamaica. Not too long from now. Not too long. Not too long. God said it will not be too long from now that he's gonna run in Jamaica. I saw the feet of God step down in Jamaica. People of God, what is about to come, it's dangerous. If you only see what God is about to do in Jamaica, if you only see what God is about to do in Jamaica land we love, if you could only see in the spiritual realm, if you could only see, I'm fearful when God showed me. But he said you have to tell them, I am showing you because I have called you. I am showing you because I can trust you. I am showing you because I know you're not going to compromise. I am showing you that you will go like Moses and tell my people what is about to happen. Jamaica, rise up in serious prayer. I'm not telling you pray today and then tomorrow you're gone back to the old you. Rise up in a prayer, Jamaica. May I ask Jamaica, may I ask Jamaica to rise up in a prayer. A prayer alone can shift it. A prayer alone can change it. I'm asking Jamaica. I am asking Jamaica to gather the sheep, to gather the servants, and rise up in prayer. Because what is about to come What God showed me, it never look good. It never look good. What God showed me never look good. It never look good. It never look good. It never look good. It never look good. Oh, the bande kutu di biya. Le man di bika to the bi ocean di biyanda. And I hear the Lord say there's an accident demon that is out. And the warriors them need to rise up. There's an accident demon. When the Lord show me it in the spiritual realm, man, a lot of young people is just gonna die in accident. Because the prayer warrior has dropped their prayer. They have turned to other gods. They have doing in their own thing, and God said He's gonna run through Jamaica. I saw God put on Him foot in a Jamaica. And when He began to shake Jamaica, I mean the earth was turned over. Mako to the beyanda. Take this warning this morning. It's not a joke thing. It's not a play thing. It is serious. Hadabande kutu the biya. Share it to everyone all over in Jamaica. I said this warning, Anofi, the USA, Anofi. I'm telling you, this warning, God said, give it to Jamaica. God said, me a step in a Jamaica. He said, I'm gonna come down, my daughter, and I'm gonna step in Jamaica. Oh, Karabahandi Bianda. Hear the word of God this morning. God is not a God to be mocked. He's not a God to be mocked. He's not a God to be mocked. He's not a God to be played with. He's not a God to be joked with. Hadabakoshanda, Hadabazundi, and I will run through Jamaica, said God. He's gonna run through Jamaica. He's gonna run. He's gonna run. Him say, now walk. Him say, me I gonna run in a Jamaica. I'm gonna run in Jamaica. I'm gonna.
People, this person sounds passionate. You know, this person sounds passionate. May I tell you the truth, my people? It's good to listen. It's really good to listen. You understand? Even if you have your own belief, it's still good to listen. Nothing wrong with listening and observing. May I tell you? Even if you have your own belief, nothing wrong with listening and observing. My people, may I tell you, and this is real. What am I gonna say now? Sometimes some people make some prophecies or give certain warnings that have me thinking. May I tell you the truth, my people? I understand. Right now, that video that I present to you is just so that you can hear some words that have been said in that video. You see me, you can also let me know what you think. You know, you can also let me know what you think. To be real, too much crime and violence are going. See me I say, in Jamaica, you know, too much mad things, bad things are happening in Jamaica. I know the world, only bad things are happening all over the world, but we have to talk about Jamaica now. Yeah, too much bad things are going. You see me I say, and the Almighty One, in my point of view, will never make people feel live certain ways among them one another. You understand? So if you keep on live certain ways and not live certain ways, one day, thy Father, the Almighty One, God, might get fed up. Might get fed up. Time for we live good, man. Yeah, so me I go left it. So big up, respect and the manners to each and every one. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.